We are back. Welcome back. It's nice to have you back. It's nice to be back. Doing this thing again. YouTubing, vlogging. I'm here for it. I really do enjoy it, so I do need to do it more. Today I thought, let's just do a little vlog, take you through what I'm up to today. I'm gonna be fixing this wardrobe up. As you can see, it's not really finished. Also, it's a mess. It needs to be color coordinated. Maybe some things might need chucked out because, let's be honest, I've not worn them in like a year. Mainly because we've not been anywhere, but like, there's my check shirt that I've had for donkeys. I'm gonna like put a glass shelf on here, a wee pull-out tray, another hanger. But first I'll get a nice coffee. Then just gonna chat you through what's going on. I'm currently on a cut right now, a proper cut. I'm being serious about it and I'm actually tracking my calories and doing my workouts, being all in with it. And I'm just gonna talk you through what I'm actually doing to lose a little bit of fat that I've gained throughout my kind of gaining phase. And let's be honest, I've not actually done a proper cut and been serious about it and tracked everything I ate or anything like that. So this is really the first long run of me actually doing this, which I'm really excited about, and I'm already seeing results from it, which is good. I feel like after Christmas I was just like, gonna have to do something about this. So my current physique is looking like this. Obviously I've got progress pictures in my bikini, but I'm not gonna show you that. Save yourselves. But I'm fine with it. I'm really happy with the way I look right now, but I'm excited to see where I can go. Outfit wise, I'm wearing, is this Gymshark? Yeah, this is Gymshark Whitney Simmons collection that she came out with. The top, I love it, it's long sleeve. You've got the wee cutout in the back, which is really nice. And then these leggings are like my new favourite leggings. They are Alphalete. They're so comfy, and they've actually got like a wee scrunch in the bum there. It just kind of makes everything look plump, which is lovely. I've got 3 litres to drink of this today. So far I've had 1. This is me halfway through. Second, and it is 1 o'clock, so I'll keep drinking that. I'm gonna go get a nice latte, and then we're gonna unpack IKEA. Also, you guys haven't really seen this room, so this is it. This is it. We're gonna jazz it up a little bit more. It's basically just my little space. I like to have a big mug when doing my iced lattes. So I can fill it with ice. However, I don't actually know if we've got ice. Let's see. Right, we've got 3 bags of empty ice. Well, actually, this seems alright. Let's see how much we can get out of it. Why do we have 3 bags of ice? Probably my fault. Can't blame that one on Jack. He's not having ice lattes. About 200 ml of skimmed milk. Skinny milk for the skinny gals. Kidding. Strong, not skinny. This better not be a meter. This better not be a meter, I'm telling you that. What size is this? 90. Right, I think you just cut that, so why have I got 2 of them? I do not know. We've got the music on. We're setting the scene. Let's do it. Transition game strong. Alright, so first hurdle is right. Roly poly oly. So what we're gonna do is unwrap all this stuff. Hold on. We are gonna unwrap all this stuff. We don't have a screwdriver, which is something we definitely do need. I'm gonna basically go see wherever Jack's working and get it off him. I don't know why we don't have a screwdriver in a joiner's house, but here we are. we're gonna do that and then actually get started with it. Photo frames for the photo wall. Lights, camera action. Inserts. One of these is Jack's and I feel like it's this one, but we'll find out. Yeah, definitely is. He's got like a nice brown, kind of like dark wood colour. It's really nice. Oh. If any of you are looking for a wardrobe upgrade that is like totally not that expensive and you can kind of build up as you go, IKEA wardrobes are very good. It's the Pax wardrobes. So you basically can create it like however you like. You can have it with doors, without doors, drawers, literally anything you want, lights, you can do the whole shebang. Have I ordered too many? Instead of driving down Jack's local, so I'm just gonna walk, which should actually take me like 50 minutes maybe, walk there and back. So I may as well just get my steps in just now. So I'm aiming for about 10,000 steps a day, and then this way I am increasing the daily calories that I burn per day by increasing my daily exercise expenditure. Listen to a wee podcast, and then we've hit our steps for the day by the time I get back. I'm currently out on my walk, getting my 10k steps in. So talking about losing fat, and when you're in a deficit, it definitely helps put you into more of a deficit when you are getting your steps in and making that a priority. And as long as you're doing that 7 days a week, it's really going to help you with your progress, and it means you don't need to do as much cardio or anything when you are doing your fat loss stage. Screwdriver has been collected, so we're good to go, but can't really remember where I got to when I was speaking about NEAT and being in a calorie deficit and what I'm doing and stuff. So if you increase your daily NEAT, you can eat a wee bit more than you would if you didn't, basically. But it is still important that you are in a calorie deficit and tracking your foods. If you don't track your foods, then it becomes very hard to see if you actually are in a deficit or not. So if you're new to it, then definitely download MyFitnessPal. This is me out of breath walking up this hill here. I'll slow down. So I would definitely download MyFitnessPal or some sort of app that you can track what you're eating and it's accurate. You will need a set of scales to start off with. Then once you've kind of done a couple months of tracking religiously everything that you're eating, you'll start to know, right, this size of chicken breast is roughly this many grams. So you can kind of guesstimate it a wee bit better, but it's definitely good to do at least a good couple of months of tracking. This is what makes the biggest difference when it comes to losing weight and changing your body composition. So that way you actually see, if you write down what you eat, you're like, oh my gosh, actually I could be doing better in certain areas. So it's definitely a good thing to do and track. So I've been doing that and it feels good to know exactly what I'm doing, and I don't expect anyone to be eating clean all the time. I usually go by 80% of your diet should be nutritious and wholesome. You're getting your veggies in, your fruit, and obviously high protein as well, and then 20% of it can be the foods that you love. If you don't have the foods that you love in your diet, then this can cause, well, this can be a big problem, because yeah, you might be fine for a few weeks, but then you're going to start craving things and you're going to want a big binge, and it's just not sustainable. So it's definitely good to still fit those foods in. I am just making my lunch just now. I'm just having a chicken and red pepper salad. We have our pull-out drawer done. Ooh. So I'm going to put the glass on top, and then see how it looks like that. I'm going to add the coat hanger over this side, see how that looks, and then from there we might add an extra few shelves. We'll see. Up update. It's getting dark now. It's taking a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take. I mean, this is looking pretty good. The poles are really hard to get in, so I'm gonna wait for Jack to come and get that. I've got one there, one there. The only issue is I can't have long coats. This is looking good now. Pull out tray here, glass shelf, a wee quote, and now it's just this bit here. So I feel like these, I've made this, the kind of shelves here too tall. So I'm gonna shrink them slightly by pushing everything up. Bear with me, we'll get this done. It's looking good, okay. 1/3 litre of water. This part is pretty much done. I'm not adding anything else there. We've got the pull out tray, we'll add some jewellery to that. I just thought it was quite nice to do something simple here so that when taking a picture here, it's nice and simple here. Update, I have moved all these up. Now I can fit the bits under there. And now we're gonna try and get the lights on. Jack's here to help, and then just put the clothes on. Okay, so we have made progress. I've added in the clothes, tried to colour coordinate them a wee bit. Still got to do here as well, add in the tops here, but I really do love this part. I do need to sort out the drawers in here, but I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to sort out everything, because what I think I'm gonna do is switch my hoodies and jammies and everything over to this cupboard, and all my gym stuff is in that cupboard, and I'm going to put them in these drawers. So I think I will carry this vlog on to tomorrow, and hopefully we can get a wee bit more done with the wardrobe so you can see the finished product, and then maybe sort out the pictures on the wall as well. I didn't really go into what I was doing for my cut. I did a little bit. To kind of summarise it, I'm doing this cut for 10 weeks. I've actually got a transformation challenge on with quite a lot of my clients online, so I thought why not do it with them, because I wanted to do it anyway. So I'm 3 weeks in, feeling good so far. I'm not going by weight, I'm just more going by the progress pictures and how I'm feeling. So what I've been doing is, obviously as I said earlier, I'm in a calorie deficit. I'm slowly reducing my calories as the weeks go on, and obviously depending on how I progress over the weeks, I'm adjusting them as so. I have my protein high. I've also got my resistance training at least 4 times a week, but try and go for 5, as well as 2 cardio days, so that can either be HIIT training or a run or both. Then other than that, it's more increasing my NEAT, so that's through getting my 10k steps a day, my 3 litres of water per day at least. Sleep is a priority as well, so I'm just making sure to get at least 8 hours of sleep per night, which is happening, which is great. So yeah, that's all the things that I'm doing. If you're interested, that's things that I would also suggest my clients to do. Obviously it's totally personalised to you as well, so one thing might work for me but might not work for you. Just kind of go with how you feel and where you're at right now, and work step by step from there. Just keep it as sustainable as possible. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling on now. Hello, so it is Monday. I think it's been a couple of days since I last picked up the camera, and I said I was gonna wait until I got the stuff for the lighting, but that has not came yet, and I don't think it's gonna come until at least another few weeks, which is kind of annoying, but it's fine. There's still plenty of vlogs out there for me to show you the end product. So there's still quite a lot to do, but today I'll do what I can, which is basically just sorting these 4 drawers out. And I'm gonna be, like, I've got shorts and things in here, and then my jammies and stuff, and I feel like I could have these as better use as like gym drawers with my leggings and tops and sports bras, because, wait till you see this. Mind the state of this cupboard, right? But that is all my gym clothes, plus in some of the drawers in that room. As you can tell, I'm bursting out the seams, which isn't good. So it will be way better if I have it here in my dressing room, because this is where I get ready every day, and I pretty much wear gym stuff every day. That's the plan. I'll take you through that. I'll just show you how organised it's looking, and yeah, that's it. I've talked you through what I am doing for my cut, so that's pretty much everything today. very good that I am back doing this for you guys, with you guys. It gives me something to do and look forward to and be creative about. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling on. Let's get this done. Alright, so we finished so far what we can do. I'll show you. I'm feeling really good about it. As you saw, we've done this little section and I have replaced these drawers so that it's filled with all my leggings and gym stuff. So I've actually organised that as well. So I've got Gymshark stuff, I've got Alphalete stuff, I've got Lulu's, I've got other brands, and then Nike running leggings as well. And then in here, I've got all my tops, and I've just kind of made it like long sleeve tops, short sleeve tops, crop tops, and like vest type tops and other ones. And then I've put sports bras and stuff in there. So all nice and organised. Here I'm gonna wait till I get something really gorgeous to put up there, maybe like something special. Here I've just organised it, colour coordinated it. I mean, obviously going black to white is maybe not the best, but I feel like I wear a lot of black and white stuff. So that's there, and then kind of matched a wee bit at the bottom. It's a wee bit more crowded down there, but you don't really see it, so that's all right. And then just organised this. This is just a couple of hoodies that I wear pretty much all the time. My t-shirts, my big knitted jumpers, joggies and jeans. And then my shoes, just my boots and stuff down there. And yeah, that's that. So everything's feeling a wee bit more organised. Last time you saw that, it was probably really cluttered, but now it's super simple. Got my mirror as usual, and then I've got my wee station for makeup and filming and doing some work. I absolutely love this little area now. I just feel a lot more relaxed, and also when I'm taking any pictures here, it just means it's not full of clothes behind, which is really good. So yeah, that is it for today. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little catch-up vlog. Me trying to sort out my wardrobe, sort out my life, and just, yeah, get back onto a good healthy routine and starting my cut. So I'm excited to see what comes, and yeah, stay tuned for more. I'm gonna be back at it. Make sure to like and subscribe below if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!